Proverbs 3 verses 5 to 6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. Psalm 56 verse 3. When I am afraid, I put my trust in you. Isaiah 12 verse 2. Surely God is my salvation, I will trust and not be afraid. Psalm 91 verse 2. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God, in whom I trust. Jeremiah 17 verse 7. Blessed is the one who trusts in the Lord, whose confidence is in Him. Romans 15 verse 13. May the God of hope fill you with all joy and peace as you trust in Him. Nahum 1 verse 7. The Lord is good, a refuge in times of trouble. He cares for those who trust in Him. Psalm 37 verse 5. Commit your way to the Lord, trust in Him and He will do this. Isaiah 26 verse 4. Trust in the Lord forever, for the Lord is the rock eternal. Job 13 verse 15. Though He slay me, yet will I hope in Him.